Hi, my name is Dr. Marty Armijo. I practice dentistry in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I've been involved with dental sleep for about 10 years. The last few have become much more serious. After getting technical training, we engaged with Todd's program at Dental Sleep Profits to help increase the patient flow to our practice. And I have to tell you that I am over the moon. I'm more than pleased with what his program has done. We saw results within no more than a week getting the program set up and going. And I can't tell you how happy my patient coordinator is with his online dashboard, how simple it is to follow and use and keep track of patients as they come into the practice. Todd's program is cutting edge, truly understands how consumers do their shopping nowadays. Because let's face it, most everybody does their initial inquiries online. And he has developed a program that puts your services out there so they're easily identifiable, funnels the patients very predictably towards your practice. I would say that any dentist who's looking to accelerate the growth of dental sleep in their practice, you got to go with Todd's program. He's top of the line. You will not regret it. Thank you.